Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com, then go to search button and enter the model number B860 DS3H and then hit enter. Then click to product and click off there. Then click to support. Select operating system which is you require the driver. So Windows 10 any because installation process same. Audio driver, this is click to download. It will start downloading here. So it will complete, then single click to open and just double click to launch. And then click to yes. Now this is extracting. So it will close means this is installed.